Did you know that you can make money with your Cricut crafting hobby? Like, start a craft business making the crafts that you absolutely love for a living. You've come to the right place. Today, you will learn 9 easy Cricut projects that will make money with your Cricut so you can start selling today. Because let's be real, you want to know some of the easiest and best Cricut projects that actually make you money. And I don't want to gatekeep that from you. So let's get straight into today's video. As always, timestamps will be included in the video so you can easily browse through today's topics. We're starting off strong with the first Cricut project that you can sell because it is truly one of the best projects that you can make money with, and it is stickers. Stickers are easy to make with your Cricut, of course, when it's calibrated. Why? Because the Cricut does most of the work for you. It's a no-brainer to sell an item where the machine does most of the work for you. I have several print then cut tutorials here on my YouTube channel if you need additional help with the sticker making process. With selling stickers, you can either create the designs yourself or you can purchase commercial use images, which I highly suggest. Plus, the cost to make stickers is very low because all you're using is a printer, your Cricut, label paper, and the printer ink. I actually was very impressed with Cricut's printable sticker paper when I made holiday gift tags last year with the Cricut Joy Extra. I'd highly recommend either using the Cricut Joy Extra or the Cricut Maker 3 or even the Cricut Explorer 3 for making stickers. But if we're being honest, get the Maker. And I'm curious, do you have a successful sticker shop with your Cricut or want to start selling stickers? Let me know in the comments. The second Cricut project that you can start selling today is yet another easy project because you can relax while the Cricut does most of the work for you. See the trend that's going on here? It is vinyl decals. Vinyl decals can be made in many different ways, such as cups and tumblers, wall decor, event signage, label organization, car decals, and more. And again, what makes this product so easy is the fact that you don't have to apply the vinyl to the surface, right? The customer does that. All you have to do is create the design, watch the Cricut cut it, apply transfer tape, package it, and it's ready to be shipped off to its new home. You will send it in the mail as is to the customer so they can apply it to whatever service they want to. Plus, what's great about this product is you can offer multiple sizes and offer different pricing for those sizes, different colors, custom vinyl decals as well. So try selling vinyl decals with your Cricut machine. This next Cricut project you can sell with your Cricut is so meaningful and an amazing product because not many people sell this item. I have not seen an item like this, and if you've been watching my craft business tip videos, you'd know a product with low competition is crucial for sales and starting, and it is cemetery signage. One of the reasons why I actually started crafting with my Cricut was because of my mom. She always loved when I came home from school as a kid and showed her my arts and crafts projects. Some of you may not know this, but my mom unfortunately passed away when I was 19 years old in 2014 from cancer. She never got the chance to see my dreams of becoming a content creator and now craft business owner, but she has somehow always shared signs with me that she's watching over from heaven and is very proud of me. So I decided to create this beautiful angel wing sign with Cricut's chipboard material and my Cricut Maker 3. It's going to be a decade this year ever since my mom has left this earth, and I want to create something special for when I redecorate her grave. Since cemetery signage will be outdoors, make sure you are using some kind of weatherproof permanent material. I used Cricut's permanent adhesive vinyl for the quote and then sealed it with UV protectant because you will always want your products to be high quality and long lasting. Cemetery signage is a beautiful gift, and gifts are one of the top performing products that you can actually sell with your Cricut because people are constantly looking to buy something for someone. Technically, I gifted this to myself, but one of the beautiful things about cemetery signage is being able to tell your story. It's unfortunate to say that one of us has probably at some point experienced death in our lives, but this isn't my craft business idea. I did consider this actually. I hope one of you can at least take my advice and maybe do something with this.
Making this meaningful Cricut project inspired me to redecorate my mother's grave. She needed a lot of love and care, so we started by removing the old faded fence and the dead flowers. It was just her birthday in August, so that's why the flowers were not in good shape. My plan was to replant new flowers and then add the new sign I made with my Cricut. My husband was a big help in adding the new dirt and setting up the new mini fence. I played my part too, don't worry, just mainly supervised for the planting. We bought 3 mums in this beautiful red color and then filled in the rest of the open areas with the new dirt and black mulch. Ladybugs have symbolized my mom since the day she passed. I shared the story on a previous Instagram reel. Basically, when I came home from college for her funeral, there were over 75 ladybugs in my bedroom. Honestly, so crazy, I couldn't believe it. But from that moment on, I've always seen ladybugs around my mom's birthday or her death anniversary, so she's definitely sent the message loud and clear that ladybugs will always remind me of her. So I added the ladybug to the one side of the grave and then made a little hole for the Cricut sign to be planted in the dirt on the other side. I ended up making an offset in Cricut Design Space, so there were 2 angel wing layers, which you saw me glue it earlier. This made the design more durable and I loved the look of it. But this was the before of the grave, and now the after. What a difference this made. I love how the sign represented me and my love for my mom, and it looks so beautiful. The materials and template will be linked in the video description, so you can also make one with your Cricut.
This Cricut project idea would not be possible without my Cricut or my mom. Coming to her grave and seeing her new sign will always bring a smile to my face. So if you want your customers to feel the same way too, you should highly consider selling cemetery signage. The 4th Cricut product that you can sell will always be in demand. You should try selling baby onesies. I don't know if you experience this too, but 9 out of 10 times when a family member asks me to make something because I'm the only one that has a Cricut in my family, it's usually a baby onesie because it's a last minute gift, and this product made it into today's video because even though heat pressing does add an extra step, it doesn't take as long for the Cricut to cut the design because it's so small. Baby onesies can be an addition to baby shower gifts, baskets, new mom gifts, and much more. Y'all know that when I made my baby closet crate, I made a bunch of different onesies for my sister-in-law, and the Cricut made it so easy being able to cut it really quickly, heat press, like I didn't have to go crazy with measuring it as well because the onesie is so small. So if you have a heat press, look into selling baby onesies with your Cricut. Number 5 is a product that also is in low competition, which of course makes it great for selling. Try making a personalized hairbrush. I did create a tutorial for when I created my own hairbrush. I will link that in the video description and in the cards. But also what's great about this product is you don't have to just sell the hairbrush. You can offer the design as a vinyl decal, as mentioned in number 2. You can have it as an add-on. Again, this is also a great gift idea because you can pair a mini travel bottle of hairspray with it, and not that many people are selling it. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but if I were to, hairbrushes would be a great product to sell. The 6th Cricut project that you can start selling now is for a top selling niche to get into, and it is a ring box. Why ring boxes? These can be offered to brides, grooms, and anyone looking for a gift within the wedding niche. Family and friends always need gift ideas for newly engaged couples, and a custom ring box would be the perfect product. Like I mentioned before with the hairbrushes, you can also offer a bundle pack with these, with other wedding related products such as apparel, glassware, and so much more. And if you've been thinking about selling products within the wedding niche, this is your sign because this is the 2nd product that I've mentioned already, and you have so many product options. On to Cricut project number 7, favor tags. Events like birthdays, baby showers, retirement parties, graduation parties should thank their guests for attending. So why not take advantage of selling custom favor tags with your Cricut? This is another easy Cricut project because all you need is your printer, ink, and the Cricut, and of course your favorite paper cardstock. And if you're also having trouble finding clientele for your favor tags, start making them for your own parties. I did this myself. Or reach out to family members and friends. I'm sure your friends and family would be more than happy to get something off of their plates, right? Because they're planning an entire party. They have to worry about the food, the decor, you know, the guest list. So if someone like you comes and swoops in and says, hey, I'll make the favor tags, you're saving them a lot of time. If you love cardstock projects, try selling gift favor tags with your Cricut. The 8th Cricut project that you can start selling with your Cricut is by far one of the coolest projects to make: magnetic bookmarks. Now we all know we can make bookmarks with the Cricut, whether they're on acrylic, paper cardstock, felt, leather, but have you tried making them magnetic? I know, crazy, right? I recently made magnetic bookmarks with the Cricut and I gasped when I made them. I was that impressed with the product, and they seem to be growing in popularity as well. So if you'd like an official tutorial on how to make magnetic bookmarks with your Cricut, please share them in the comments. I'd love to post another Cricut project for you guys on my YouTube channel. The last Cricut project that you can start selling today with your Cricut is the perfect way to make a gift even more special. It's a gift tag holder. You can make gift tag holders in many different varieties. I made one last year in the shape of a present for Christmas and also made a gift tag in the shape of a pizza box. Like, how cute. This is yet again another easy Cricut product. You don't need much besides your Cricut, cardstock, maybe label paper. The Cricut can cut and score it, so you put it together and it's all set to go. It's just again another easy Cricut project that you can start selling today, which is why I made it to today's list. Will you be selling any of these Cricut project ideas? And if you need even more product ideas to sell, I got you. Be sure to grab my 200+ product ideas guide in the video description. That will help you a lot. Comment below if this tutorial helped you, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a very crafty day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!